The Central Monopole Theory, CMT, unveils a radical new understanding of reality, where energy, matter, and consciousness are inseparably linked in a continuous circular flux. The Earth, long perceived as an isolated planet in an infinite universe, is instead a central formation within a dynamic, toroidal energy field. This system is not static, but a living entity in perpetual motion, with Earth serving as a stabilizing element within it. Our understanding of black holes and their event horizons shifts drastically. Where we once believed the event horizon marked the inevitable end of matter, it is now revealed as a transformative gateway, a portal through which energy and consciousness are continuously redistributed. Black holes are not destructive voids, but passageways to another dimension, linking the original monopole field to our current reality. Matter that crosses this threshold is not annihilated. It is recycled, reborn into a new form. In this model, the sun is not a massive star generating energy through nuclear fusion, but rather an optical projection of electromagnetic flux within the toroidal field. Likewise, the moon is a reflection of the magnetic interactions occurring within this system. What we perceive as celestial bodies are, in truth, manifestations of magnetic fields moving through space. They follow the circulation of energy within the torus's dynamic system, not fixed physical objects in an empty cosmos, but fluid projections of a vast cosmic electromagnetic network. The CMT suggests that consciousness itself is a fractal expression of the original monopole. This means that all living beings, regardless of their form, are inherently part of a greater shared awareness. We are not isolated entities, but fragments of the original whole, caught in a swirling vortex of energy that sustains our conscious experience. Consciousness is not confined to the brain, but is dependent on the magnetic flux flowing throughout the universe. Our thoughts, emotions, and experiences are manifestations of this flux, a direct consequence of the interaction between our awareness and the larger cosmic energy field. Black holes play a pivotal role in this grand design. They are not the boundaries where reality ends, but dynamic transformative structures that redistribute energy and information. The event horizon functions as a kind of macro Alice ring, a cosmic gateway where matter and energy undergo transformation rather than destruction. The extreme physical phenomena surrounding black holes, such as magnetic reconnection and frame dragging, support the idea that these objects are active components of a vast circulating magnetic universe, where energy continuously flows and reshapes itself. The Earth itself exists on the surface of a torus, with a central vortex acting as the energy source driving the circular flux. The planetary surface is not a sphere, but a stable, flat plateau within this system. At the center of this structure lies the North Pole, the focal point of magnetic energy. This region is not merely a geographical location, but a gateway to a deeper inner universe, where time, space, and gravity function in ways unfamiliar to us. Here, the greatest concentration of energy converges, making Earth a stabilizing formation within a much larger magnetic field. What we call reality is merely a specific energy stream within this broader cosmic system. Our perception of time, space, and gravity does not arise from fixed physical laws, but from the dynamic interactions of the magnetic field we inhabit. Gravity, time, and space are not absolute concepts. They are relative, shaped by our position within the toroidal energy field. In this framework, death is not an end, but a transition into another state of perception. When an individual dies, it is not the disappearance of consciousness, but an awakening from the illusion of individuality. Just as a drop of water returns to the ocean, individual awareness is reabsorbed into the larger magnetic field of the monopole. This transition is not an escape, but a return to the original state of unity. The cycle of life, death, and rebirth is not a linear progression, but a dynamic process reflecting the ongoing evolution of the cosmos. The CMT redefines the universe itself as a colossal monopole, where energy and matter are not governed by gravitational attraction, but by an all-encompassing magnetic field. What we refer to as the Big Bang was not a conventional explosion, but a topological transformation, a vortex event that fractured the original monopole into an endless flow of energy and consciousness. We, as individual conscious beings, are fragments of this original monopole, now caught in a swirling stream of magnetic flux. The Earth is not an independent celestial body, but an apparent stability within this dynamic system. A flat formation that captures and sustains consciousness through the energy streaming through the torus. Rather than perceiving ourselves as isolated beings, the CMT suggests that we are integral parts of a greater whole, an interconnected energy field in constant transformation. Black holes and their event horizons are not ultimate boundaries, but crucial points of metamorphosis, where energy, matter, and consciousness undergo restructuring. They serve as gateways to higher realities, conduits to the limitless energy of the primordial monopole, which ceaselessly flows through us and the cosmos. In this model, the universe is not a cold, empty void, but a living, breathing entity that continuously redistributes and transforms its energy, matter, and consciousness. It is up to us to align our awareness with this cosmic cycle so that we may not only understand ourselves, but also experience the profound interconnectedness of the greater whole.